Welcome to Light Tech Reviews. My name is John, and today I'm going to show you how to screen record on any Android device. Now, for me, the best app to record your screen is called Screen Recorder No Ads by Kimsey929. This is not a sponsored video. I'm doing this because I really like the app and I find that it's very useful. So we're going to go ahead and search for that. Go to the Play Store and type in Screen Recorder. Now, your results may vary, but more often than not, you'll have the Screen Recorder dash no ads, and then with the author Kimsey929, which has 4.4 stars as of this video. One of the reasons why I really like this app is because of the fact that there are absolutely no ads at all. Okay, no pop-ups, no banners on the ad itself, and there's no limitations to what you can do with it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and download that so I can show you what I mean. So go ahead and tap on it, click on install. Should be a fairly quick install considering it's a small file. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and open the app, and it'll ask you where you'd like to save your videos. So go ahead and click on OK and choose the folder that you'd like to save it to. Now I've already got a folder called Screen Recorder, so I'm going to save everything here. Now if you don't, or if you want to create a folder, go ahead and click on the three dots here on the right, and then choose New Folder and name it whatever you'd like. Now since I already have mine, I'm going to go ahead and click on Screen Recorder and then tap on Allow Access to Screen Recorder at the bottom of the screen. Okay, click on Allow. Okay, now you're on the video section. Now I've already recorded a few here on my device. That's why I have these two. But on your device, you probably would just have a blank screen, so no worries there. Now before we tap record on the lower right, I'm going to show you a few settings here that we can play around with to get even better quality or modify the app to your liking. So click on the menu button on the top left, and then click on settings. Okay, well, there's a bunch of options here. What we want to focus on is one, the magic button here on the third option. Now I leave these off because it places a semi-transparent button on the screen while you're recording, which allows you, of course, to stop, pause the recording. I find it easier to swipe down from the status bar and then stopping or pausing the recording from there, and I can just edit that part out versus leaving a permanent floating button on the screen as you're recording. But if you like to have that on there, you can do so. Now, next up is the resolution. Now, this is extremely useful if you want to have a better quality video. Now, I like to leave this on the max setting for my phone, which is 3040 by 1440. I'm on a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Your mileage may vary for your device. And the bit rate, I want to get the best quality for my recording, so I typically choose 40 megabits per second. And then frame rate, I leave it at 60. And then video encoder, I just leave that as is for compatibility reasons in post. And then audio bit rate, I change this to 320, again, the highest possible. And then 4800 hertz for the audio sample rate. Now, I also choose to make the audio channel stereo because during in post, it's more annoying to make it audio or make it stereo there versus doing it through here. Okay. Now, audio source for me is going to be through my microphone, which is a Boya BY-MM1. You can also, of course, just use the standard microphone on your phone, or you can record internal sound. If you want to record your games, or if there's something that you're recording on the screen or inside that's playing on your phone, then that's something you can do as well. Now, a few overlay settings that are pretty cool here is the banner text. So you can show a floating text banner on your screen as you're recording, which is useful if you want to add more branding. You can also add a logo as you're recording as well, and you can just choose that and upload it using the settings here. So pretty straightforward. Now, I don't leave any banners or logos because I find those distracting on my recordings, but it's up to you if you want to do that. At least you have that capability. Now, I really like this app because of the settings that we mentioned, that I mentioned earlier. Um, Most app or screen recording apps out there actually limit you to how much the resolution is going to be, the bit rate is going to be, the frame rate, all that is limited. And sometimes you'd have to pay for those features, and this app charges nothing for it. And it's super easy to use. The UI is extremely friendly. And really, I think it's the best screen recorder app out there. Okay, now we're done fiddling around with the settings. Let's go and start recording. You can start with the recording by clicking on the record button on the lower right of the screen. And of course, it'll ask for permission if it's the first time that you're doing this. So go ahead and do that. Click on back and allow the app to take pictures and, of course, record video and, of course, record audio as well. So right before it starts the recording, it'll show you this floating bar. The first option is to start the recording of the screen. The second is to take a screenshot. The third is to go back to the settings so you can modify it before you start recording. And of course, to close out the app as the last one. Now, to start the recording, just tap on that button and it'll give you a warning message talking about exposing sensitive info during casting or recording. So obviously you want to make sure that once you start recording, and during recording, you're not showing any information, or you don't want to show any information that is sensitive, such as, of course, your full address, your name, social security number, credit card numbers. So make sure that you have everything prepped before you even start recording. But once you're sure that it's all set, go ahead and click on Start Now. Give you a countdown so you can prepare. You can change this in the settings if you want a longer or shorter countdown as well. Okay, so right now we are already recording this part of the screen, and once you're happy with the recording and you want to stop, we don't have that floating button, so we scroll down from the top of the screen and click on. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, and if you want to see more videos, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.